All right, so we have a kitchen sink that's backed up, and we have a clean out right here for the kitchen drain. So we're gonna run our sewer machine, and we're gonna clean this baby up and get that draining working awesome. So here we go. You gotta wear gloves, right? You gotta put these gloves on, and then you gotta put sewer machine gloves on to protect your hands. And so we got all the stuff, we're ready to go. All right, let's go. And that stop right there, that's probably where the clog is. Or in 90 or something, so. So we're gonna dump some water to get this cable loosened up inside the drain. So Josh is in there turning the faucet on, and here we go. You go back and forth where that clog was. All right, shut it off. He's got the water turned on in there, so if the water starts coming out of the clean out, then we know we still have the clog. If not, then we're getting somewhere. And if you don't have a clean out coming out of the wall, you may have a clean out underneath the sink. And if there's no clean out, then we take the P-trap off underneath the sink and go that way. We could take our cable down the drain where the P-trap is. Or I've had to go up on the roof a few times. That's the last resort. So that's how you do it. We ran it about 50-60 feet, and it's cleared out, got all the grease out of there or what have you. It doesn't appear that there's a broken pipe or anything because of the fact that we didn't pull any roots up with it. No dirt, no roots. It was clean water, to the point, you know, I mean, as far as clean water goes in a drain. But the kitchen's draining real nice. We're gonna let that water run for about 5-10 minutes on both sides of the kitchen sink, and then we're out of here, man. Going on to the next one. People's Choice Plumbing.